Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce. My name is Rafiq Adi Kurniawan from the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Here, I will present my article entitled Utilization of YouTube Kids Media in Grade for IPAS Learning. Background: learning is not optimal because there are still many students who do not pay attention when the teacher delivers the material. Based on observation, the student enthusiasm for learning is lacking. IPAS is less interesting because the use of monotonous learning media in the form of textbook only means that the delivery of the material is still abstract. Literature review: Rizwan B. Taufik et al. 2022, entitled Application of YouTube-based virtual blended learning as a learning media for fundamental movement skill in elementary school during the COVID pandemic-19. The second was done by Nurjanah and Prastowo 2021, entitled Use of YouTube as Technique Material for ACT Learning in Elementary or MI during the COVID-19 pandemic. Research update: the research update taken by researcher is from learning media using YouTube Kids, which has child-friendly content and is suitable for elementary school age children. Research purpose: meanwhile, the research update and the meanwhile the research update and the researcher took was from learning media using YouTube Kids, which has child-friendly content and is suitable for elementary school age children. Based on the background previously explained, researchers are interested in researching utilization of YouTube Kids media in grade 4 IPAS Learning Elementary School. This research aims to explain the utilization of YouTube Kids media in grade 4 Social Natural Science or IPAS Learning at Muhammadiyah Elementary School, Siktin, Karangasem. Method: this research uses a qualitative descriptive research type with a case study research design. Qualitative descriptive research aims to describe existing phenomena by systematically describing the first characteristic, object, and subject study. And case study design is a series of scientific activities carried out intensively in detail and in depth about a program or organization to obtain in depth knowledge about the event. The author collected data from two sources, namely primary data and secondary data, to determine school condition, teacher effort, obstacles, and solution regarding YouTube Kids Media. The data collection technique for this research is by means of interview, observation, and documentation, and the validity of the data used technical triangulation technique and short triangulation. Triangulation technique to test the credibility of data are carried out by checking data against the same source with different technique. Short, tech, tr- short triangulation is technique for testing the credibility of data is carried out by checking our data source, including the result of interview with class, teacher, and student. Data analysis carried out by researchers used the following steps: data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. The research was conducted at Elementary School Muhammadiyah Siktin Karangasem, Surakarta. Result and discussion. Result. So learning is more fun and studying don't feel bored. As for the result of the researchers interview at Muhammadiyah Elementary School, Siktin Karangasem, the researcher obtained information from four aspects, namely 1. YouTube Kids Media Selection, 2. Utilization of YouTube Kids, 3. Supporting and inhibiting factor, and 4. Solution to overcome factor inhibiting the use of YouTube Kids. Discussion 1. YouTube Kids Media Selection. YouTube Kids Media makes it easier for teacher to find teaching material related to the material to be taught, including social natural science or IPAS learning material. 2. Utilization of YouTube Kids. In the interview 10 were carried out, the teacher said that YouTube Kids was employed as a teaching tool to help pupils different learning style in class. 3. Supporting factor and inhibiting factor for using YouTube Kids. As for a supporting factor, the school has facility LCD projector, speaker, Wi-Fi, and other than support broadcasting learning video via YouTube Kids. The inhibiting factor is the less strategic installation of LCD projector. Or solution to overcome factor inhibiting the use of YouTube Kids. To overcome the inhibiting factor, namely installing the LCD projector in the middle so 10 students can clearly see the video material being broadcast. Conclusion. The research results show that YouTube Kids Media can increase student motivation, interest, and learning outcomes in social natural science if or IPAS learning. I will as provide a fun and meaningful learning experiment for students. This article recommended that teacher use YouTube Kids Media as an alternative learning medium that is effective and in line with career development. Thanks all. My presentation. If there are any mistakes, I apologize. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.